Let's go. Hungarian Hiccups. Art by Henri Rousseau. And music by Johannes Brahms. Way to go, Rocket! This is spectacular! Great flying, Rocket! Yeehaw! Hi, I'm Leo, and this is our best friend, Rocket. Today, Rocket is going to be in the Great Sky Race. Rocket, there's the starting line.
Wow.
Whoa, look at the planes.
Cool.
And jets.
There are a lot.
Helicopters. We know you're gonna win, Rocket. You're the fastest, coolest rocket ever. Rocket is really, really fast. Are you fast? Wow.
La 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 la.
Rocket is singing his special race song. Hooray for Rocket!
La 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 la. Uh-oh.
What's the matter, Rocket?
Listen. Oh, what do you know? It's a big jet.
Oh no! Look at that big jet!
Again.
Wow, he's so fast.
Don't be upset, Rocket. Your friends are on your side. And we know you're gonna win.
Huh? Rocket, what are you doing? Stop fooling around, Rocket. You've got to get ready for the Great Sky Race.
I don't think he's messing around. I think there's a problem with him. I think he's got the hiccups. Have you ever had the hiccups? Oh dear, but Rocket has never had the hiccups before. Did we hear someone say, get ready for a Great Sky Race? Shades! Shades! What's up, guys? What's going on? Rocket and the kids are taking part in a Great Sky Race, but Rocket has got the hiccups. Oh dear.
Rocket,
Let's land. Oh. Oh.
Every time Rocket hiccups, he goes backwards. But the race is going to start soon. Rocket can't be in the Great Sky Race with Rocket hiccups.
So, how can we cure some hiccups?
Hiccups.
I know what to do. We can cure Rocket's hiccups.
When I get the hiccups, Leo sneaks up behind me and yells, "Boo!" That surprises my hiccups away. That's a great idea, Annie. We've got a mission. We're going to surprise the hiccups out of Rocket so he can win the race.
Yeah. But we need to think first. What can surprise some hiccups away?
I've got an idea. We'll sneak up behind Rocket and crash cymbals. That's sure to surprise him. Good thinking, Quincy. But where can we find cymbals?
Let's go to Oyster Ocean. Maybe the instruments might help us.
Ocean? That's perfect.
Perfect. Good idea, Q. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Come on. Welcome aboard. Prepare for blast off. We're going to need a lot of power to blast off. Pat, 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 pat. June is patting. Quincy's patting. Annie's patting. But we need more power. Put your hands on your lap and pat with us. Pat, 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 pat.
Faster! Pat, 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 pat.
Now raise your arms as high as you can and say,
Blast off! Up and away! Wow! Cool.
we're here. Ooh, look at all the lovely instruments. Oh, I just adore Orchestra Ocean.
June, I don't think that's a pretty good idea.
Whoops. We really need to do something about these hiccups.
You're right, but I tried to warn her. But we need to find the cymbals.
Come on, let's find the cymbals.
Rocket, lower the looking
Listen
listen scope.
I see violins and drums and cellos, but I don't see any cymbals. I can hear the
them.
cymbals.
Do you see them?
See the cymbals?
Yeah, there they are.
Yeah, there they are. Those cymbals are loud.
They sure are.
They're sure to surprise Rocket.
Whoa, we have to catch them. And
Use the clapper catcher. Okie dokie. Rocket, lower the clapper catcher.
Yeah.
That was awesome, Annie. Great job. Okay, guys. Now we can surprise Rocket's hiccups away.
Oh,
Rocket, let's head for land. Wait here, Rocket. We'll be right back. Will you help us surprise Rocket? Great! Pretend your hands are cymbals. Now clap your cymbals. Clap! That was nice loud clapping.
Now, shh. Get your hands ready and be very, very quiet. And when we clap our cymbals, clap your cymbals with us. Ready? Let's practice. Good going. Now let's surprise Rocket. Shh. We have to
Plus,
sneak
we
up
need
on
to
him.
sneak up on him.
Ready?
Oh!
Rocket loved that surprise.
Waiter, clap your cymbals.
That must have stopped Rocket's hiccups.
Let's listen.
Uh-oh.
Does he still have the hiccups?
You're right. Your hiccups are still there. Don't worry, Rocket. We'll find a way for you to fly in the great sky race. What do we do?
Let's think.
We need to find an even bigger surprise. Yeah, a bigger surprise should stop Rocket's hiccups.
I have an idea.
You do?
A big animal, like a tiger. That will surprise Rocket. That's a fantastic idea, Annie.
We have got to go to the jungle. Let's go. To Rocket.
Come on. Up and away! What?
Look, it's the great sky race starting line. It's almost time for the race.
Uh-oh. Look who's getting ready, guys.
It's Big Jet again. Whoop, whoop.
We have to hurry.
Let's go, Rocket.
Right.
Wow, this jungle is huge.
How are we going to find the tiger?
Do you see one?
Tiger? Yeah, there it is. That sure is a big tiger.
He's a friendly tiger. But I'll bet he has a nice big roar. Oh, I was right.
Will you help us surprise our friend Rocket?
Let's help the tiger surprise Rocket. Shh. We have to creep up behind Rocket so we can roar and surprise the hiccups away.
Let's creep like tigers. Creep with us. Pretend your hands are tiger paws like this. We have to move slower and slower. Retardando, like the music.
Creep, creep, retardando. Creep, creep, retardando.
Slower, slower. Retardando.
Creep, creep, retardando.
Now roar real loud.
Rocket loved that surprise.
That was some sneaky creeping. That was a loud roar.
It must have stopped Rocket's hiccups.
Let's listen.
Oh no! Now I've got the hiccups now. Oh no!
Now what should we do?
Well, the cymbals didn't stop the hiccups.
And the tiger's roar didn't stop the hiccups.
We need the biggest surprise ever to stop Rocket's hiccups.
I've got it! A geyser.
A geyser?
A geyser?
What's a geyser? It's a hole in the earth that shoots out water high into the sky.
A geyser will be the biggest surprise ever. Perfect.
To Rocket!
Okay, oh, it's up and away! Look down there!
Oh no! Look! The other planes and jets are lining up at the starting line.
The race is gonna start in 5 minutes.
Don't you worry, Rocket.
Don't you worry, team. We'll help and stop your hiccups and Rocket's hiccups too.
I see the geyser holes, but June, where's all the water?
Whoa! This is gonna be great.
Come on.
Those guys sure are big and they squirt water out from the ground.
Let's help the geyser surprise Rocket. When the music stops, say splash. Let's practice. Ready? Listen to the music.
Splash!
It worked! Water came splashing out!
Now, let's surprise Rocket.
What is it?
Oh, Rocket! Come sit over here.
Okay.
Yep, right there, Rocket. That's good.
All right. Rocket and Dee are on the geyser.
Stops. Say splash.
Splash! Whoa, whoa. Woohoo! Team Rocket goes riding on the water. I guess they do.
But does he still have the hiccups?
So let's listen. Oh, my hiccups have gone, but Rocket's hiccups are still there. Do you think so? Yes, you're right.
What do we do now, Leo?
Well, the geysers didn't work.
It looks like nothing can surprise those hiccups away.
We've got to stop these hiccups soon. The race is going to start.
Yeah, because the race doesn't start in 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 minutes. We have to act fast.
Don't worry, Rocket. We'll think of something.
No. Who's that? Oh!
Hey there, little mouse.
Whoa!
Whoa, where did Rocket go?
I don't know. He's up there, guys. He's up in the sky.
Rocket, come back. It was just a mouse.
Rocket, that little tiny mouse surprised you?
Rocket sounds different.
Let's listen.
Listen. Does Rocket still have the hiccups? No! The little mouse surprised the hiccups right out of Rocket. Yay!
Yeah.
Come on, we've got to get to that race.
Thank you, little mouse.
Let's go. Just in time. Let's go.
The race is starting. We have to catch up.
Go, 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 Rocket. You can do it. We need your help to help Rocket go faster. Can you pat the beat into the music?
Rocket is zooming across the globe. He's behind, but he's catching up fast.
So the first stop is the
Rocket has to go around the Eiffel Tower.
In Paris. Do you see the Eiffel Tower?
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, there it is.
Rocket!
Now we're heading to the pyramids in Egypt. That's where we passed before. Wow!
Hooray! You're almost there.
Whoa, we're past it. Left and right.
Keep going. It's the Colosseum in Rome.
Look, there's
Here comes
another
another
plane.
plane.
Woohoo!
Rocket passed the plane.
We're catching up.
Keep patting. Wow, the Grand Canyon is so big. Go, Rocket. We know you can pass that plane.
Hooray!
We're almost there. I think Rocket has passed everyone, but except for one, it's Big Jet.
Big Jet.
Come on, Rocket. Give it all the speed you've got. It's neck and neck. Heck, this is gonna be close. The finish line is getting closer.
The finish line is getting closer.
We need your help to pat faster to beat Big Jet. Pat faster than ever. Pat, 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 pat. Yeah!
It's the race. You won. Magnificent.
Wow.
I knew you could do it, Rocket.
That serves Big Jet right. But he'll have a rematch against us someday.
I'm sure he will, Q.
Look, Rocket is thanking you for helping him cure his hiccups.
You're welcome, Rocket. Let's sing Rocket's race song. Sing with us.
La 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 la. It sure is fun to race. But when you get hiccups, try and find some ways to cure them. With a friend or a grown-up. No matter what you do to find a way to cure hiccups, it's always best to find a way with the people you love. I love you, you love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Achoo!